Namaskar students. In this video we will continue with the lesson number 8, natural resources. In the types of the soil, the next soil is the laterite soil. The laterite soil found in our country in higher area of the peninsula. Iron, potash and aluminium. These three elements found in this soil. The laterite word derived from the Latin word later means bricks. And the colors of the bricks is the reddish color, so the color of the soil is also the reddish color, and this reddish color because of presence of the iron oxide. If this soil becomes wet, it's become just like a smooth butter, and if this soil becomes dry, it becomes a very hard. These are the characteristics of the laterite soil. The laterite soil formed due to the changing of the dry and moist climate, the changing of these types of the climate and prevention of silica based material. So these are the main factors, the formations of the laterite soil. This soil is less fertile, although the crops like cotton, paddy, ragi, sugarcane, tea, coffee, these crops can be taken if the fertilizers can be done, if the fertilizers is available. Fertilizers अगर वहां पे fertilizers की facility अगर provide की जाए, वहां पे अगर वो facilities उपलब्ध कराई जाए, so these crops can be taken in this soil, the laterite soil. The next soil is the desert soil. The desert soil found in our country in the Rajasthan region, in the some part of the Haryana, some part also in the Punjab also, in the Gujarat also, in Gujarat, Kutch region, Saurashtra region. So this area, that is the area of the desert soil in our country. The climate of the desert soil is the arid or semi-arid climate. मतलब शुष्क या अर्ध शुष्क, एकदम सूखे प्रकार की आबोहवा यहां पे पाई जाती है. दैट इज द एरिड सेमी एरिड क्लाइमेट. दिस सॉइल इज अ सैंडी सॉइल, एकदम रेती वाली. आपने डेजर्ट देखा होगा, रेती वाली, एकदम रेत वहां पे होती है, जमीन होती है. दिस सॉइल इज इनफर्टाइल सॉइल. वहां पे ज्यादा कोई इतनी वेजिटेशन एग्रीकल्चर नहीं होता. बट इफ द इरिगेशन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइडेड, if the irrigation facility can be done in this soil, so the millet and jowar, these two crops can be taken in this soil. The next soil is the mountain soil, and the mountain soil found in our country, very slopy regions of the Himalaya, altitude between 2700 to 3000 meter, the regions of our Himalaya. The regions like the Assam, Darjeeling, Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir, these regions, Uttarakhand, these regions found the mountain soil in our country. In the Kashmir, where the pine and chid trees found, that regions found the mountain soil in our country. The soil of the layer of this soil is very thin and it is the underdeveloped. So these are about the information about the mountain soil. The next soil is the forest soil, and the forest soil is also found in our country in the upper layers of the Himalaya altitude. The more than 3000 meter altitude found the forest soil in our country, where the coniferous forest found, Sahyadri mountain found, the eastern Ghats found, the Tarai regions of the Himalaya found, the bottom part of the Himalaya, that regions that is covered with the forest soil in our country. In the forest soil, the upper layers, the upper part of the soil is the blackish, is the black because of the shading of the leaves, the shading of the leaves in the forest soil. So that's why decaying of the leaves, पत्ते बहुत ज्यादा झड़ते हैं वहां पे, जमीन के ऊपर एकदम पत्ते पत्ते होते हैं. फिर बारिश आती है और वहां पे पत्तों को सारे जो लीव्स से डिकेइंग होते हैं, सड़ते हैं, और वहां पे उसका, सो दैट्स व्हाई द कलर ऑफ दिस सॉइल, द अपर पार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट सॉइल इज looks black, but in the downside the color of this soil is blue or red. So these are about the characteristics of the forest soil. Tea, coffee, spices, wheat, maize, barley, paddy, etc. crops can be taken in the forest soil. The last soil is the marshy soil. The marshy soil found in our country where the humus area, the humus region, just like that is the Orissa region, also in the West Bengal, Orissa, Tamil Nadu, in some part of the Bihar also, and one important part of the Uttarakhand, and in the Uttarakhand that is one district, the Almond district, where there is the marshy land, the marshy soil found in our country. This soil is the accumulation of the biotic elements, the accumulation of the waters, चारों ओर जैसे पानी से और बायोटिक एलिमेंट से घिरा हुआ होता है. And in the rainy season, this soil submerged with the water, and the when the rainy season gone, the layers of the soil can be seen in this soil. जैसे पानी चला जाता है, जैसे ही ऊपर का लेयर चला जाता है, जो मार्शी सॉइल का अपर लेयर दिखाई देता है, एंड इन दैट लेयर द पैडी क्रॉप कैन बी कल्टिवेटेड इन दिस सॉइल. इन दिस सॉइल द इनसफिशिएंसी ऑफ पोटाश एंड फॉस्फेट, उसकी मात्रा बहुत ही कम होती है, पोटाश और फॉस्फेट की. सो दीज आर द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ द सॉइल इन अवर कंट्री. Total 8 types of the soil in our country, and in your board examination and in the school examination also, the map can be asked from this lesson. They show the different part of the soil in our country. For example, alluvial soil, the part of the black soil, laterite soil, red soil, desert soil, forest soil, mountain soil. So you have to show the different soil in the outline map, outline the geographical map of India. So these are about the information about the types of the soil in our country. In the next video, we will study the soil conservation, the soil erosion, and remedies to prevent of the soil erosion, and the continue with the topic of the soil conservation. So here we completed the topic, the types of the soil from alluvial soil to the marshy soil. Thank you.